Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. I'm going to do an unbagging. This is a coffee grinder. It's a Amazon model. Let's check it out. Kaffè, I guess that's how it's pronounced. An electric blade coffee grinder, copper. A model KF 2030, color copper, capacity 3 ounce, size 6.4 by 3.8 by 3.1 inch, weight 1.5 pounds. It's pretty heavy. I don't know if all coffee grinders are got some weight to them or not. It says the KF 2030 blade grinder takes coffee beans from coarse to fine quickly and efficiently for fresh brewing. Compact and functional. Strong, durable stainless steel cutting blades. Transparent lid allows visibility to achieve desired coarseness. Easy on-off push button control. This was like, I want to say $17. We've never owned a coffee grinder before, but seems how I do reviews for YouTube, or I do reviews on YouTube. Variety reviewer. I review all kinds of things. So I review coffee. So I contacted Don Pablo Coffee, asked them if they'd want to send me some of their coffee products to review on my channel, and they did. And it ended up being whole bean. I've never had whole bean coffee to deal with before, but I thought this would be a good time to go ahead and get a grinder for these occasions. So this is the one we found. I said it was an Amazon brand. I guess that's not the case. It's a Kaffè brand, but we did order it through Amazon. So you get a little brush. It's not like real coarse, but it's not real fine, you know, like a paintbrush would be. So some of the directions. Extended 2-year warranty. So we need to register that. got some nice weight to it. Cool. Well, I just wanted to unbag it and see what it looked like. I'd like to demonstrate it tomorrow. So if you're interested in seeing how it works, I'm gonna be learning, you know, how to do it for the first time. So check back at my channel and see if I was able to do it or not. Looks like it needs to be wiped out a little bit. It's got some kind of packing residue in there or something. But okay, well, I'm going to end it there. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. People are asleep around me, so that's why I'm being quiet. Okay, well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And I'm going to try to get to use this tomorrow with some Don Pablo coffee. I'm excited to try it out. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.